Does your phone light up like this when a message or call comes in? No? Then you're missing out on one of the smartest accessibility features, flash notifications. Whether you use a Samsung Galaxy like mine or a Techno, Infinix, OnePlus, or even an iPhone, watch watch till the end because I'll show you how to enable this on your specific phone. This feature is a game changer if you often miss alerts, work in noisy environments, or just want that cool visual effect when a call or text comes in. So don't scroll away, stick around and let's make your phone blink brilliantly. Let's begin with Samsung Galaxy and similar S22 Ultra and similar phones like this. You go to settings, you tap here settings and you tap accessibility there, and you select advanced settings right here, advanced settings, and you tap flash notification. Advanced, let me, it's already off, I'll turn it off. Flash notification, and you can turn on camera flash notification. You can set that for all apps. If you tap this where you say all apps, you can choose which apps to add to have these settings for, or if you want for all alerts, all apps. And then there is the screen flash notification, same thing for all apps. So let's preview the camera flash notification. For the camera flash, actually flashes the back camera flashes, okay. Or if you select the screen flash, look, see this preview here, the screen, this flashes the screen, like the whole screen flashes yellow, okay. So that's how you do that on the Samsung Galaxy. So if you're on a newer Galaxy phone, this is where you turn on flash alerts. Super handy for silent mode or loud environments. Now for Infinix and Techno, you go to settings, you scroll to smart assistant, or you can just search from the settings search, you search flash notification and you tap flash notification and toggle on the feature for incoming calls, and or you can choose either or you can select both for calls and SMS. Okay, for Infinix and Techno users, this setting is often under smart assistant. Just search it directly if you don't see it right away. Okay, for OnePlus phones, you go to settings and you tap accessibility and you choose hearing and you tap flash notifications and you enable for calls or messages. If you're on a OnePlus, it is also under accessibility, but sometimes tucked under hearing section, just like this. Okay. For iPhone, that is for iOS 16 and upwards, right? You go to settings and you tap accessibility and you select audio/visual and you tap LED flash for alerts and you turn on the LED flash for alerts. You can also enable flash on silent. Okay, for iPhone users, you've got this too. It's under accessibility, audio visual. It even works when your phone is on silent. And that's it. Whether you use a Galaxy, iPhone, Techno, Infinix, or OnePlus, you now know how to make your phone light up when alerts come in. If this helped, please like the video, share with a friend, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.